Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best House Apartments. And hey, we're here at the Presidium Valley View. We're looking at their beautiful pool. And it really is beautiful. Look at it. It's got a really good community feel too. Everybody has these big balconies and they can kind of, just see each other and kind of see the pool. It's got a beautiful feel. But now let's actually look at the pool itself. This side, it's kind of a big square almost, but it's split. So this side it's about 3 feet 8 inches of pool. You've got some really nice chairs are in the water. That's kind of a cool effect. I like this. You have some areas that are kind of covered here. This is really cool. But isn't that kind of cool? I like that. I like those are covered like that. You also have a nice grilling area that's over here, and a nice area to just watch TV, maybe watch some sports. I love the fountains that are here. And then you've got another side here as well. So you've got this middle section you can kind of relax in. And you've got this other section over here. So it's a really cool pool area. It's actually pretty simple, but a little innovative and fun. Again, that's the grilling station. So you've got free gas to grill your veggies, your meat, whatever you want to grill that's over there. That's pretty cool. I'm also noticing, by the way, the first floor has some really good patios that would be very pet friendly. So to have these over here, you could definitely have a pet, and that's kind of a massive patio that's over there. I like that one a lot. So anyway, that's a little bit more about the pool here at the Presidium Valley View. If you have any questions, send me a text. Just use the number below.